Every day, we take in something that is vital to our survival: oxygen. Breathing is a natural and automatic process, but have you ever wondered how our bodies actually get the oxygen they need to function properly? It's a fascinating and intricate system that involves our lungs, blood, and an amazing molecule called hemoglobin. It all starts with the air we breathe in. When we inhale, air enters our respiratory system through our nose or mouth and travels down our windpipe, also known as the trachea. The trachea then divides into two smaller tubes called bronchi, which lead to our lungs. Now, the lungs are like two spongy organs located in our chest, and they play a crucial role in the respiratory process. Within our lungs, millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli wait to receive the incoming air. These alveoli have extremely thin walls that are lined with tiny blood vessels called capillaries. As the inhaled air reaches the alveoli, something remarkable happens. Oxygen molecules, which make up around 21% of the air, pass through the thin walls of the alveoli and into the nearby capillaries. This is where hemoglobin comes into the picture. Hemoglobin is a protein found in our red blood cells. Its primary job is to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of our body. When oxygen molecules enter the capillaries surrounding the alveoli, they bind to hemoglobin, forming a complex called oxyhemoglobin. This binding allows the oxygen to hitch a ride on the red blood cells and be carried throughout our body. Once oxygen is loaded onto the hemoglobin, the red blood cells continue their journey through the capillaries. They navigate through an intricate network of blood vessels, delivering oxygen to every corner of our body. This process is essential because oxygen is critical for our cells to produce energy. Without it, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. But what happens to the waste product of this energy production? Carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, needs to be removed from our bodies, and this is where the respiratory system comes into play again. As our cells use oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide molecules diffuse from the cells into the surrounding capillaries. These carbon dioxide-rich capillaries then make their way back to the alveoli in the lungs. The carbon dioxide molecules, now separated from the red blood cells, enter the alveoli and are expelled when we exhale. This continuous cycle of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide keeps our bodies well oxygenated and free from harmful waste gases. In summary, the process of getting oxygen to breathe involves the inhalation of air through our respiratory system into our lungs. Once in the lungs, oxygen molecules pass through the thin walls of the alveoli and bind to hemoglobin in our red blood cells. The oxygen-loaded red blood cells then travel through our blood vessels, delivering oxygen to all parts of our body. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, a waste product, is carried back to the lungs and expelled when we exhale. This incredible system allows our bodies to receive the oxygen it needs to fuel our cells and keep us alive. So next time you take a deep breath, remember the intricate journey those oxygen molecules take to reach your cells and keep you breathing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more fascinating videos.